it's like vibrating this door and this window, and it is closed because now it's open. And then when I close it and this door vibrates, the dishes in the kitchen, this door here vibrates. So I can't really put it loud because I live in a estate outside. And this does have a very low frequency response. Like you can play a woofer cooker. Okay, so the camera isn't focusing. It's not full volume. And it isn't full volume. Okay, so I'm going to put it at full volume. Yep, that's full volume. Okay, so I think that's too loud. I think I'm going to push my neighbors out there on that side and on this side here. Okay, so I'm going to play Too Fast by Wizard, and it's not gonna be full volume because it's quite loud. Normally the sub stays in that corner, but I took it out because it moves around. So I think I can put it quite a few ticks. And this is how it sounds with it in the corner. So the door actually vibrates. Okay, you can't really see it, but you can hear it. This is how it sounds from the outside. Yes, I have two. One is up, one is down. Oh, that window is vibrating a lot. Yeah, that is. I don't know if you can see, but that is really vibey. So, oh shit, it's raining. Oh, the Bluetooth is. Oh, yeah, that's a TTRS.